Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Go 2, if I remember correctly. Yep, Surface Go 2. And today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on here. Now, for this I'll be using keyboard because this is probably the easiest way we can do it. And if there is no toggle right here, oops, let me quickly check just to make sure. It looks like we actually have a screenshot button right here. So I will show you two ways of doing it. Number one will be by just pressing this and then selecting your screenshot. Now for this, you can select the region that you want to basically capture. This is probably, in terms of screenshots, one of the best ways of doing it, because it just allows you to simply select the area that you want to capture instead of like capturing the entire screen. For Windows, personally, I think this is probably the best way, because you never want to capture the entire thing. You just want to capture a specific thing that you want to, for instance, share with someone. But if you want to capture the entire screen, what you can do is just basically move your mouse to the top. Now I will be using a keyboard for this, just because the touch screen doesn't actually work here, which you will see right so. It just started capturing, then canceled it, and I held the screen for the entire time, which is not what it's supposed to do. So I'll be using a mouse for this, as you will see right now. Now our mouse looks like this right now, so what you want to do is simply drag it to the corner if you're planning to capture the entire screen. Press it and then drag it all the way down, let it go, and it will capture that screenshot, the entire screen. So this is one way of doing it. The other way would be to, for instance, just simply press right here. As you can see, this will create an entire screenshot. Now additionally, this creates a screenshot, but it is not actually creating any file just yet. It is like in a memory. So as an example, if you'd want to do anything with it, you would need to open some kind of application to paste it in. It's in your clipboard right now. So if you want to save it, I'm actually not sure. Let me quickly check. So it does pop up right here. So snip save to clipboard. So there is nothing like where it saves it. So if you want to save it, let's interact with it. And from here, we should be able to save it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There's the save button. So save as, and you can save it anywhere you want. Additionally, you don't actually have to save it if you don't want to. If you just want to share it with someone automatically without actually having it on your keyboard, or not keyboard, but your clipboard or computer, what you can do is open up the whatever it is that wherever you want to send it to. As an example, Gmail works. If you're using Discord or stuff like that, it will work. I'm just gonna use Paste as an example, because it will allow me to actually paste it in. Opens up as a blank canvas. So right now you can just simply right click right here. I actually can figure out how to right click here, or anything out like that. So I'm just going to use a command, which is the Control and V. As you can see, it pastes the entire screenshot in here. So the same thing will work for pasting it into applications that can accept files or links. This is how you could capture a screenshot. And the second way you can do it, instead of like pressing right here and going to the screen snip, is, well, technically it uses the same thing, but it is, let me just kind of like extend it just so you can see the keyboard and also partially the screen. So the second way of doing it is by holding, what is it, Windows key, which you can't see. Let me move it a little bit lower. There we go. So Windows key, Shift and S. So I'm going to close right now everything just so you can see the difference on the screen. Hopefully you can actually see it change. There we go. And also this. So Windows, Shift and S. And as you can see, the screen just went dim. That is because it is showing me the options right here as though you would press right here. It's a simple short command for it to launch it. And the same thing goes, you can just simply select it however you want, and voila, your screenshot has been captured. So anyway, this is how you could do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.